Welcome, and follow me as a Microsoft Surface Duo, and today I will show you how to put the device into recovery mode. Now for this you will need a cable and you want to plug it into your computer. Once it's plugged into your computer, keep it on the side right here. For me it's just going to run away, so I'm just going to keep it on my lap. But anyway, so once you have the cable ready we can start. So power off the device, select power off, and once the device turns off, give it a second, there we go, it's now off. So once it's off you want to hold but volume down, and you're gonna hold volume down, and while holding it, just kind of move it like this so I can press the button. So while holding it, you're gonna grab the cable and you're gonna plug it in. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, after a second it shows up right on the second screen. So we have boot mode right here. So using volume keys you want to navigate through this. As you can see we have the, start, we have recovery mode, we have power off, and then we have start again. So from here you want to select the recovery mode, then press power key, confirm it. Now you should see Android with no command, so to get past this, hold power key and press volume up once, and this will take you to recovery mode. And just like before, you will use volume keys right here to navigate, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. That being said, from here we can reboot our device, reboot to bootloader, which will take us back to the first page. We can enter fast boot mode, apply updates from ADB, wipe data, or mount system, view logs, and power off. So it is a little bit more limited than a typical recovery mode, but still you have a decent amount of options right here. And like I mentioned, whatever you select you'll then confirm with power key. And because I want to leave this mode, I will stick with the first option, which is reboot system now. Power key, confirm it, and this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.